Hey friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, cassava pone. Absolutely delicious, which you can achieve in no time at all. As always, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. For this recipe, there are 3 main ingredients: cassava, also known as yucca, pumpkin, and also coconut. So before we go right ahead, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome to my channel. So friends, to achieve this delicious recipe, I'm going to show you step-by-step instruction how you can achieve this delicious recipe at home in no time at all. First thing first, you want to go right ahead and peel your ingredients: the cassava, pumpkin. Once finished peeling, you want to go right ahead using a food processor, or old-fashioned way, you can certainly use a handheld grater and grate your cassava and pumpkin. So friends, for safe time, I went ahead and add my ingredients to a food processor. So friends, I definitely want to take the moment to shout out Ateria No Copyright Music, who always provide great background music. Make sure you go right ahead and check their channel out, and make sure you show them some love and subscribe. That's Ateria No Copyright Music. So friends, once you finish grating your cassava, pumpkin, and coconut, it should look something like this. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my spices. So friends, as mentioned, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So friends, I definitely want to take this moment to shout out my current subscribers and also my new subscribers who watches my video each time I upload. As always, thank you. So friends, for flavor, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my spices. Mix almond essence, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, brown sugar, next, I'm going to go right ahead and add some milk, evaporated milk, and also a bit of condensed milk, and just give it a good stir. Next friends, for additive taste, I'm going to go right ahead and add some grated ginger and also some melted butter and just give it a good mix. So friends, for easy baking, I went ahead and add a little bit of butter on a greasy pan. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my ingredients and bake for 1 hour or as needed at 350 degrees. So friends, here we are after 1 hour. Delicious cassava pone, also known as cassava pudding. I hope you give this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any questions you may have below. And also do follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and also TikTok. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.